Hi everyone. Today let us see about the types of artificial intelligent agents. The types of artificial intelligence are classified into five. They are based on their degree of perspective intelligence and capability. All these agents can improve their performance and generate better action over time. The first one is simple reflect agent. Second one is model based reflect agent. Third one is goal based agents. And the next one is utility based agents. And the last one is learning agent. First, let us see about simple reflex agent. The simple reflex agent are the simplest agents. These agents take decisions on the base of the current perspectives and ignore the rest of the perspective in the history. These agents also succeed in the full observative environment. The simple reflex agents do not consider any part of a perspective's history during their decisions and action process. The simple reflex agent works on condition act rules, which means it maps the current state of action, such as a room clear agent. It works only if there is a dirt in the room. The problem of the simplex reflect agent designs are: the first one is they have very limited intelligence. They do not have knowledge of non perspectual part of the current state, mostly too big to generate and to store, not adaptive to the changes in the environment. The next one is model based reflect agent. The model based reflect agent can work in a particular observative environment and track the situations. A model based agent has two important factors. The first one is model. It is the knowledge about how things happen in the world. So it is called a model based agent. The second one is internal states. It is the representation of the current state based on perspective history. These agents have the model, which is knowledge of the world, and based on the model, they prefer action. Updating the agent states requires information about how the world evolves, how the agent's action affects the world. The next one is goal based agents. The knowledge of the current state environment is not always sufficient to decide for an agent to what to do. The agent need to know its goal with describing the situation. The goal-based agent expands the capabilities of the model-based agent by having the goal information. They choose an action so that they can achieve the goal. These agents may have to consider a long sequence of possible action before deciding whether the goal is achieved or not. Such uh, consists of a different scenario and called searching the planning, which makes an agent proactive. The next one is utility based agent. These agents are similar to the goal based agent but provide an extra component of utility measurement, which makes them different by providing a measure of success at a given state. Utility based agents act based not only goal but also the best way to achieve the goal. The utility based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternative and an agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. The utility function map each state to a real number to choose how efficient each action achieves the goal. The next one is learning agent. A learning agent in artificial intelligence is a type of agent which can learn from its past experiences or it has learning capabilities. It starts to act with the basic knowledge and the ability to act and adopt automatically through learning. A learning agent has mainly four concepts, which are the components. The first one is learning element. It is responsible for making improvement by learning the environment. The next one is critic. Learning element takes feedback from critic, which describes that how well the agent is doing with respect to the fixed performance state. The next one is performance element. It is the responsibility for selecting external action. The next one is problem generator. It is the component that is responsible for suggestion action that will lead to new and informative experience. Hence, this learning agents are able to learn, analyze, and perform and look for a new way to improve the performance. Thank you all for learning.